On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning. Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Shout out to you. Shout out to the Otter gang. How we all doing this morning? We got the inflation data. All roads lead to inflation, baby. Let's go. Look at all these beautiful people in the chat. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Whew. They're already pumping price. They know something. I feel like these guys get like a heads up. They're like, hey, Jerome, Mr. Powell, what are we thinking here? Well, probably going to pump. What do you think? Put a 1 in the chat if you think this is all a game for them. They think this is just complete manipulation. If you think it's just a whole hoax, all this inflation data, fear and greed back up to 70. Okay? I think they know. I think they know. So, even though they know, how are we as retail supposed to participate? That's the question. When do doctors get angry? Let me ask you that. When they run out of patience. Let's jump into this, okay? Dad joke already. Let's go. All right. Oh, man, you guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. This is going to be a doozy. Look at this. We gave the short. I took the short last night from here. Okay, took the short right here. I closed the short right here. And then I went to bed because it was late. Okay? We were looking for this in our trading day yesterday. We were looking for that sweep of the highs, rejection down, push down, okay? This is choppy. This is ugly. This is not pretty price action, okay? This is not pretty. But you know what? We took some money out of the market yesterday. Man, I wish we didn't close that long. Okay? Yeah, me. Right here, this guy. He pressed sell too early. Right here, hi. We had a beautiful space last night on community. I just wanted to ask you guys what you guys like about the community, and obviously it's the trades. Come on, Alex. You know you're not funny. You smell through the microphone. Your breath isn't fresh. You don't comb your hair in the morning. You wear a sweater. But however, you press buy and sell pretty successfully, right? Oh man. Jesse with the super. Jesse, I've warned you. You're banned from super chats, bro. I want you to reinvest in yourself, man. Please. Keep your €2.50. Add it to your trading account. Manage your risk. I love you, Jesse. Thank you so much for the super chat, bro. But an amazing space last night. I mean, not many dads. I myself I go to bed at like I'm ready at 8:00. Let's just put it that way. I'm ready at 8:00. I'm ready for bed. I'm putting my son down with my wife, and we stayed up till, my God, I got into bed. Amy, my wife, Mrs. Otter, she's asleep, and I get into bed, and it's like 11:15 after brushing my teeth and everything, and I'm like, remember when we used to stay up this late? I don't like it anymore. Oh man, too good. But we had an amazing evening last night. I'm not tired. You're tired. Okay. It will be a shortened stream today. I do have once a month I have an allergy shot appointment, so I got to go for that a little bit early today, but that's fine. We're going to take in the data. We'll see what it gives us. Maybe they got some inside news, double bottom here, pushing up aggressively. Let's say good morning to everybody. What's going on? We got half an hour till the beautiful data, whatever you want to call me, comes out. We got core inflation. We got regular inflation. We got a bunch of fugazi numbers. That's what we know. Okay? That's what we know. But how you all doing? Hopefully you're all doing well. Thank you for being here. Board PC guy, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Crypto Pollo. What's going on? We're calling you Crypto Paulo now because no one got Pollo right the first time. I know I didn't get Pollo right the first time. So I'm going to call you Crypto Paulo. Crypto Paulo, like Apollo or Marco Polo. Maybe we'll call you Polo. Crypto City, good morning. Steven Stainsbury, have a great show. As usual, Ali Hater, my portfolio is burning like LA. Maybe that's a bit early. That's a bit early for the LA jokes. I hope your portfolio gets better. Gains for life, what's going on? Anthony Soprano, my man. God bless you, bro. Joe Ruiz, good morning. Crypto Pondering. Maureen, good to see you. You beautiful person yourself. I'm so glad to see you. Always kind. Paul Caruso, good morning, brother. And the gang. We know the G. Let's go. Seymour Liddy, Goldie, Crypto. What's going on? Good to see you, Goldie. A little push out of here. This is interesting. Does someone know something we don't know right now? NASDAQ flat. Look at this on the NASDAQ yesterday. Oh my God. What a bunch of wreckage, man. Whew. Manipulation. Anyways. And this too, like this came out of nowhere, just pop, no really, pow. That's it. It just Jerome Powed. Just Jerome Powed. Good morning, forget about it. Nicholas, Seymour, Liddy, what's going on? Good to see you guys. The Duckin', let's get after it relentlessly. Dylan, what's going on? Good morning, The Duckin'. Jeffrey Stonesight for Crypto Birdie, Mo2. Let's go, Ali says. Seymour, Liddy, get those likes up to the watchers, baby. We out here working. Just a sub. Good to see you. Shiver. Good morning, Ninja Man. Good to see you. Hopefully you're warming up a little bit to the stream. It is freezing in Canada right now. Kishore, good morning. Good evening from my country. Good evening to you for all those evening people or all those afternoon people. Thank you for being here as well. Just a sub. 3 p.m. for me. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. I love it. Make sure you say good afternoon then. I'll recognize the good afternoons. Yeah, seeing good to see you. The Ducker Ernest, Beef Boy, Poor Crypto Gains, Vincent. Oh, you guys, yeah, it's manipulated. It's manipulated. Good morning, Easy C, Slick Back, good to see you. Sean Beringer, good to see you. F1, good morning. Thank you so much for the super chat yesterday, F1. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Jesse, good luck. Donato Cabrera, what's going on? R. Reyes, good morning to you. Stay humble. Anonymous, good morning. Shark Vin, Darren does things in the chat. Thank you for the kind words this morning, Darren. Giver's game, baby. Sibel, good morning to you. Crypto, Billy in the chat. Billy had me on last night. Make sure you guys go over and listen to the spaces last night. That was an incredible space. I thoroughly enjoyed being on there with you guys and hanging out with Frank and Jason Casper. Oh my God. So many good people in there. Rice, Miss Teen Crypto. I mean, it's almost like a full circle moment for myself. So that's pretty cool, man. You opened the short position and didn't tell us. I said swing failure, and this is true. I can't tell you. Sometimes I can't tell you everything, but I did take a short last night from here, and you know what? I closed that short too. So I did tell everybody on Billy Goat Tales that I was in a short, though, right at the beginning of Billy Goat Tales. So maybe you should have came to Billy Goat Tales. You would have had, the alpha right in advance. I shared out Billy Goat Tales in the Discord. You guys should have been there, right? Swing failure, value area high, mitigation of the high above us, short here. Okay. There's your trade. Okay. But I gave you guys this yesterday during the live. I said, if it comes up here and it swing fails, you should be looking for a short. Look, 1, 2, 3 shorts. You could have made 3 beautiful trades. Mitigation of this high here. And I mean, I love holding hands and I love singing Kumbaya and working together to make money. But we want to teach you how to fish, right? That's a big thing about community is that, I want to give you the buy and sell button that I press successfully. I want to give it to you, and then I want you to manage well. That's what I want you to do. And then you can go and start your own YouTube and tell people, this Otter guy, he was absolutely nuts, but he showed me how he pressed buy and sell successfully while managing risk and being patient. And I was able to go and make my own money, right? That's the goal here. Jason Oren, what's going on? Zeno, what's going on? Good morning. I love seeing that pink hand crypto Billy in the chat. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being here as per usual. Fish are gross. So we'll teach you how to hunt, okay? Because we're Canadian. We'll teach you how to hunt, okay? Because you cannot tell me you don't like some beautiful beef jerky or something like that. I don't know what to say. Look at all these people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. King and Drew, Maureen, Walsh, Jesse, good luck. Good to see you. Bass Crouton, bonjour. Alex getting old. I am definitely getting old. I mean, if I don't get the haircut, I mean, I'm pretty salt and pepper. I'm getting more salt lately, and that's I'm tired, says Billy. I bet, man. I need help badly. If I make money this morning, I'll get a Discord membership. I don't need you to get a membership, man. Just come over to the free section. I'd love to help you. Let me know what you'd like helping. Maybe just come over here, join the free part, and say, "Hey, man, it's the duckin'. I would love to learn some stuff." Come over to the free section and say, "I would love to learn some stuff. It's the duckin'. If you wouldn't mind helping me, because you will learn more from investing in yourself. Our Discord is great. Yes, we give signals. Yes, we give ideas, trading ideas. We do live streams. We help teach for traders. Amazing, amazing group of people. But you can do it yourself. I didn't pay for anything at the beginning. What I really did was try to hone my craft, right? And I would never expect you to try and make money to pay for a Discord. Really, you should work on strategy. You should work on developing an edge. Okay, these are all the things that you want to do. It's late, says Ionis. What's going on? Good to see you. I went to bed at 5 a.m. Jesse, you're an absolute beast. PC Port Corp. I talk crap but I'm in bed at 8:30 p.m. Yeah. Yeah, I love an early night's sleep, man. When you have a full day, I mean, I do this, then I teach, then I typically have a Discord live, then I teach, and then I make another video about the journal, and then I do some organization for the next day. It's a long day, right? It's a long day. Wick 589. Let's go. I mean, Wick 589. The Wicks were the spotlight yesterday. And, you know, nothing but kind words from the Wicks. God bless you. And thank you for being part of the gang as well. I appreciate you guys over there, BC Port Corp. And thank you for getting up early, 589. Billy, too. Oh, man. Amazing group of people. Ali, Oliver, Spanky, Loft, good morning to you. Lagging out right now. So we got I call this the balloon dog pattern. Okay, so we got the balloon dog here. Okay, got the balloon dog pattern, which is a double bottom followed by a bull flag. That's all it is. But to me, I just can't unsee a balloon dog. Tell me I'm wrong. Okay, tell me I'm wrong. This is typically bullish. We're gonna get into the news. It's just gonna do one of these. Okay, so let's be prepared for that. I don't think we're going to take the trade until the dust needs to settle, okay? We need dust settling, everybody, okay? Let's make sure we have that dust settling. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing up those like buttons. We got 270 people in here, 61 likes. You guys are all incredible. We're going to bring in the CPI data. We are prepared for you guys as usual, looking for this thing to go ballistic. We'll see what happens. Orange Man's getting in on Monday. Do they want to rug him one more time? Okay, do they want to rug him? What's up, Amori? Good to see you, Dan, as well. Percy, 21, cross the 200. Let's go. Let's go on the 1 minute. Let's go, Percy. I love that. Hey, man. That's the thing with trading. You can find so many different strategies. You just got to look. You got to manage risk, and you got to build confluence. Jay Violet, good to see you. Erica B, good morning from Malaysia. Thank you so much for being here from Malaysia. Caleb, Maureen, good to see you. Jay Violet, Retro Mike Tech, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. I saw you last night. Army Piper as well. Good to see you. My brother, God bless you, bro. Love you, Army Piper. Go check out Piper Academy, Billy Goat Tales, all these amazing people. Good afternoon. Good to see you all in here. Black. I thought I said Rice. Black Ice, good to see you as well, BBL. Nicaro, good morning. Blair Stevenson, Shepard, Vignes. Man, I can't get through all you guys. You guys are incredible, man. Stay humble. After living in Australia, what's your favorite meat pie flavor? Oh, man. To be honest, not a big meat pie fan. Oh, I'm going to lose subscribers now. I don't like the pastry doesn't sit well with my stomach. Maybe I'm just a little bit of a wimp. I wanted to use so many other words there, but I'm trying not to swear. Maybe I'm just a wimp, and I just pastry just upsets my stomach. So, but a meat pie, man, I would just plow in every morning. It seems, yeah. No Canadian flag. There should be a Canadian flag. Good morning, SP. Good morning, Dong Hyun Seo. What's going on, Dong Huge Seo? What's going on, Dong Huge? Good to see you, man. Gains for life. If you don't let the dust settle, maybe you have dust left in the account. Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it. Yeah, if you don't, I mean, trading is waiting, baby. You guys know me. I will make you wait longer than you've ever dreamed. Okay, we've been killing it. I mean, Monday, successful trade. Yesterday, 2 successful trades. Okay. Last week, 5 for 6. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, I took a little loss, but I mean, an amazing couple of months, really. I mean, the previous months we were 19 for 23, I think. 19 for 23. And we are, I guess, 5 for 6 plus 2 plus 2. So we are 7 for 8. We're 7 for 8 this month so far. We're doing well. We're doing really well. And, you know, I think we just try to stay level-headed. I take into very strong consideration that there are new traders in the chat. Some of us are experienced old gems here who've been pressing buy and sell unsuccessfully or successfully for years. But my job too is definitely to protect and help the new person trade, right? We're typically on here to make. We always aim for 900. Sometimes we get a lot less. We risk 300 per trade. 0.3 for 1%. That's what we're looking for every single day. Do we get it every single day? No. However, we manage this well. Okay. Nice little sweep back in here. 382 bounce probably. All right. I would expect it to come lower after breaking bearish momentum coming down, breaking the lows in here. Okay, when we look at this, okay, we still have 13 minutes, so I'm going to run through what I see, right? Because I'll show you the charts and tell you the news. That's the deal, right? So if we're looking at this thing, and what do we expect? So let's run through this quickly. We have a push up, we have a low put in. Okay, we want to see this low be the low. Okay, everybody wants to see the low be the low. Okay, we have multiple counts of bullish divergence throughout here, coming down, making lower lows and higher highs on our oscillators, which is great. We have put in a new high in here, right? We have hit our fib retracement level. Okay, so warning, Will Robinson, we could be coming down here for a retracement. This just means that, A, if we have fully retraced here, we could fully retrace back in here and bounce. We have that golden pocket area. That is all the way down here at 92,000. Okay, so even if we come down to like a 92,000, 91.5, we are still bullish in my opinion. However, the key is that we do have a lot, and I mean a lot of volume holding us up within this area. You can see here 94.5 is kind of the comfort zone for price action. Okay, if we zoom out a little bit more and we look at our fixed range volume profile for the range in here, we can see that we're pretty much at a sticking point. When price or when volume gets square like this, it tends to be very choppy, okay? So for me, I don't want to get overly bearish and I don't want to get overly bullish. We are still in a downtrend, making lower highs, okay? And we have put in some bottoming structure. Is this an accumulation? 1, 2, 3, and then we go. Okay, is this our spring that's going to come up, consolidate us sideways, push us up, maybe flip that and go, taking out this high? We'll see. But for me, we treat this as premium discount range bound until we know otherwise, meaning that we are coming up to the value area high. We are possibly looking for a rejection up in here, which is another area that we are interested in, hitting this golden pocket. But we also have another area up here around 98.5, okay, that I'm interested in. We'll see if we hit it. Liquidity at the highs here. Coming back down would be favorable in my opinion. When we look at this too, you know, we have pushed pretty high right now. So any sort of retracement and continuation to me is going to be what I would be looking for. It doesn't mean we're going to get it as we continue to push up right now. Okay. Maybe they know something we don't. That's okay. It's not for us to know the data. It's for us to, you know, take advantage of price action. We know it's going to do a little joggy, woggy, flippity, whippity, ripsaw kind of price action. So we don't. I used to enter trades here. Okay. I used to have the market button ready, and I used to be ready to and I tell you, wrong more often than not, okay? Wrong more often than not. If you've got an edge on this, let me know. Give me a call. We can talk, okay? But there's no, it's gambling. It's gambling. If you want to trade this at 8:30, that is totally up to you. This looks like it's going to, I would long right now. If I was to press a button right now, I'd get into a long. That's just me. I am not in a long, okay? I think we come back down to 95,000. Do we? Huey, Dewey, and Louie. I can't tell you. What I can tell you is that please manage your risk and please be careful in here. But we're going to watch CPI come in. Okay, it's going to be a fun time. We always have a good time here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's look at Market Cipher a little bit more. So we can see the daily looks juicy. Double bottom in here, both green dots. However, VWAP's overextended. We look at the 12 hours. Same thing. We got that bullish divergence. So we got the higher low and the lower low on price action, which looks good. Overextended on VWAP, okay? The 2-day, one of the juiciest ones, I think. Look at this double trigger in here. Double trigger VWAP crossover to the upside, bullish momentum holding the zero line. This looks great as well. Okay, so there's a lot of things that give us like hopium. However, we look at the shorter term time frames. 4 hour, red dot, VWAP crossover to the downside. Not looking so good, okay? 3 hour, red dot confirmation, VWAP crossing over to the downside. Money's coming in though. 1 hour, looking a little bit better. Okay, with the VWAP coming through the zero line back up to push us back up to a continuation, suggesting a continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so you can see here, this is an uptrend right here. Whoop, whoop, all the way up. And we're looking for that crossover and continuation. So there is a lot of hopium in here. There is some bullish things on the higher term time frames, which we tend to like to favor. But for the short term, I would expect a fake out and a dump. And then we go. That would be me. Okay, triple top, something like that, right? Where we do this. And then we come back in here, and then we go. But it's not for me to decide. It's for me to participate safely, okay? Safely, and that's what we're going to try and do, okay? So thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 8 minutes until this thing pops off. I would, yeah. Oh, man, I'm human just like you, and I want to press buy. I want to press buy, okay? It's just not safe. It's not safe. It's not safe. You guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Lunar Beaches, crypto in the chat. What's going on, my man? Anybody heard from Alexandra G? I will message her and let you know. Hopefully she's doing all right. I haven't seen her in a while, but I'm sure she's okay. Good morning, Joan. Good to see you. Gains for life. Jesse, maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning. French toaster on the timeout, man. Good morning, bro. Good to see you. I can copy trade Billy, so I have an unhealthy amount of Caspa and Ape. Let's go. RMT, man. God bless, man. Thank you for being here as well. Much love. Lunar Beaches. Dong. Huge. SEO. Let's go. Steve Hickey, do you announce the trades before you do them? Discord? Yeah, absolutely. We always in the Discord. In the Discord, yeah. So we give like full-on trade setups in the Discord. When you enter, when you exit, trade signal, AVAX, entry price, yada yada yada. Trade signal, virtuals, yada yada yada. So you got that from me. Then Kyle, same thing. Trade signal, entering, blah 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 blah. Okay. Adjustment, stop loss adjustment, perfect trade. Kyle banged that trade. That was an amazing trade. Thesis, swing trade, entering, Tia, yada, yada, yada. Okay, 4 traders. Amazing traders. Brewberry, live streams, smart money concepts. Kyle, momentum trader. Thesis, scalper, and swing trader. Trades a lot of altcoins. Brings a lot of altcoins to the family here. And then myself, you get my key levels, my altcoins, my morning updates, my live streams, and my private live streams as well. So an amazing group of people, amazing traders. It's $1 a day. It's $1 a day if you do want to come and join us. That's totally up to you. Watch the videos. Here's our schedule, yada, yada, yada. We'd love for you to come over and hang out in the gang. 400 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 94 likes. If we could smash some of those likes up, that would be greatly appreciated. We should have pressed buy. I mean, we should have pressed buy. We're going to regret it, and that's okay. I'm okay with that today. I think I'm okay with not being in a trade. I think that's one of the hardest things to really get used to is that I'm a trader. I should be in a trade, right? And we were talking about it yesterday, how like you really gotta. I think Kelly Kellum mention, how are you in your regular life? Are you reactive? Are you, like, are you responsive or are you reactive, right? How are you behaving in society? And then, because that's definitely going to reflect into your trading, right? My God, this thing's ripping, baby. Let's go. Let's go. This is cool. This is cool. Okay, no trade as of yet. Coming up to the highs here, mitigating some of this liquidity up in here. This could get. What is the market doing right now? This is giving everybody hopium. Okay, hopium. People are longing this right now. What do you think is gonna happen? Right? I would say that. Okay, I would say that. Looking forward to the CPI data. We'll see how it behaves coming up in here, hitting some resistance as we speak. So we'll see. Let me see if I can get set up here. Okay. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Let's go. Otter gang. We got almost 400 people in here. 108 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for joining me this morning. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Live trading Bitcoin every single day. If you are new here, please subscribe. We'd love to have you hanging out with us. We're well on our way. Almost at 6,000 subscribers. 5,830. That's pretty cool. You guys are incredible. So thank you for subscribing and hanging out with me. Always a privilege to hang out with all these amazing, degenerate, beautiful crypto traders. We are a breed of our own, and that's okay. Look at this thing ripping, man. Whew. Could have got in on like the swing down in here, but that would have been a long wait through here. Up 0.5%. Okay, breaking momentum continuation here. We got a momentum trend line we can throw on here. I don't trade trend lines. I just like tracking momentum. So let's say I got long in here, right? I wait for my first significant high or low, and then I can put a momentum trend line on here. And if I am long from somewhere down in here, I don't have to close this trade until that momentum is broken. Okay, it's a very efficient way of holding trades longer. Okay, so let's say you got short up here, right? And you get short and you get in a higher low, right? And then you put in this trend line here. Until it's really broken, I don't have to take any profit out. Look, down. Right here is where I would close this trade. Okay, allowing you to make maximum profits. It's a good little trick. If you're struggling with holding trades longer, just get a significant low. Okay, even here, you go significant low. You don't have to close this until it's broken here. However, you may want to take profit up here. Okay, things like that. It's a very simple way of tracking momentum and allowing yourselves to make more money, which is very important. We always want to maximize our gains, as we learned yesterday when we closed our long too early. Okay. Coming into here, we're pushing, baby. We're pushing. This is looking good. Let's see what the calendar is going to tell us today. We got 1 minute left. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You guys are incredible people. She said it was. Thanks, Lunar. 10 minutes. Let's go. Dave Digital in the chat. 120 likes is Dave. Okay, let's see how price behaves here. Is my big head out of the way? Let me see. I can go shrink. I can shrinkage. You know when Mario gets his... I mean, I'm short enough, guys. 1 minute, all's well. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. Refresh it quickly. Refreshing it. Are we going up or down? Let me know in the chat. Up or down, up or down, up or down. Up. I think up. Up. Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's blow up this chat. Let's see some otters. 2, 1, 0. Boom. Shaka laka 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 laka. Boom. Oh my lordy lord. Sweep of the highs. Coming in. Oh my God. Look at this God candle. Oh my goodness. Gracious Lord have mercy. We came in We are flying. Holy smokes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. What a God candle. We should have pressed buy. We should have pressed buy, and prices going to the moon. Inflation rate coming in at 0.4. 0.4. 0.29. Okay. We came in a little bit. We came in as forecasted. Getting a rejection from our pink box. Okay. Getting rejected from the pink box. Getting rejected. Is anybody? Let me know if you guys are in the long. Let me know. I need to know. What are you guys doing? Wow. What a pump. All right. So we should have gotten long, right? So we were right about the long. Up, and away. Let me know if anybody's in the long. Coming back down, wrecking some people. I was long already. Let's go, Jesse. Take profits. Please take profits. Pay yourselves. If you were long, what do you look for after these God candles? You look to take profit and run away and reset. Look at this, coming right back down, wrecking everybody. Woo-wee. All right, coming back down, blasting through the golden pocket here. Hitting our resistance level perfectly. Privy to these levels in the Discord. Oops, I don't know what I just did there. I'm trying to make myself grow again. I'm a grower and a shower. Remember, we're doing both today. We're growing and showing. Look at this thing continuing to bounce all around. Upside down, all around me. All right. Dave Digital is definitely in a long. I can smell the FOMO through the microphone. Continuation coming in through here. Continuing to pump. So we got a good bunch of data here. The market seemed to like the data, okay? Data, whatever you want to call me, but the market seemed to like it. We got core inflation coming down 0.2. So they didn't think it was going to come down, and it is coming down. No. Bitcoin is bullish, baby. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Look at this thing continuing to rocket. Let's go. Let me know if you guys are in the long. Let me know. Dave Digital definitely FOMO'd in at the top. We know we love them. Bad data is good now. Absolutely. Sui crossing a trend line. Okay, looking for a breakout on Sui. Jesus. Okay, trapping. To me, this is trapping longs right now. No trade. Jeez. Well, we called the long. It's all right to call it, but I mean, what if this candle goes the opposite direction, right? You're gonna be in a bit of trouble, in my opinion. So, let me know if you guys are in the long after this data coming out. We are flying. Carano still going up. Let's go. I'm in the short. Eesh. I went to go pee and I missed it. Darshan, you gotta hold it, man. You gotta hold it. I am long Ada. Let's go. YouTube channel growing too. Gains for life. Thank you for being here. Board PC guy. Nicholas, good morning to you. Long from 90K TP2 for me here. Nice. Goldie Crypto long. Good day, Alex. Good to see you, Lewis. Good to see you as well. Okay, we're sticking around this level right now. Hulk candle. Smash. Boom. Bang. Looking good right now. I'm in the short. Yikes. I'm long, says Luke Bitwalker. What's going on, Luke Bitwalker? Andre, haha, let's go. You guys are crushing it. I bought at 200x leverage. Let's go. I love the degeneracy. Make sure you guys are paying yourselves on this. We are going to 100K. RS Miller with the 50 memberships. Let's say hello to all the lurkers. Throw some border collies in the chat. Jay Walker, Darshan, Ronnie P in the chat. What's going on? Clint, Lurker, Caleb. What's going on? BBL, Mad Will, Shivam, Lurker, French Toaster. What's going on? Ando, Pancho, Lurker, Frank Costello, Buck. What's going on? Nicholas. What's going on? Brandon. What's going on? I see you, Lurkers. Marnish. What's going on, Lurker? At it, Lurker, DSV, Lurker. J.R. Lurker, Vincent Lurker. What's going on, man? You guys are being exposed. Global Lurker, Dan Bartley Lurker. You guys don't say good morning to me, man. What's going on with this, man? Another, oh my God, R.S. Miller. God bless you, man. God bless you, R.S. Miller, with another 50 gifted memberships. We're just here to see the lurkers, okay? Coming up into a resistance right now. Janice Abels, good to see you. Jezreel, Lurker, Moho. I think Jezreel said hello. Moho, what's going on? We're letting the dust settle, man. This is incredible. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ doesn't give two smacks, man. The NASDAQ doesn't give two smacks. Bitcoin reacts like an absolute crazy, man. Let's go say hello to some more lurkers. DGen X. What's going on? AZZ TV's always here. No name lurker. What's going on? You guys are crushing it. King Andrew. Uh-oh. Lurker. What's going on? We need a lurker emoji. Wicked Wicks. You have a imposter. Impasta, as they say in Italian. Okay. JB Lurker, Harp Lurker. Let's go. Lurking a bit today, TV. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being here. Key levels working out quite nicely right now. CJ Beats, what's going on? Piper, Chris F. Lurker, Anakin, I've seen you before. What's going on? Givers Gain. Jesse, you're banned from you're banned from Super Chats, bro. R.S. Miller, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for the 50 gifted members. Welcome to the gang, everybody. Gang, gang, gang. Otters in the chat, all that good stuff. Settling up in here. We'll see if we do get a continuation. Givers Game, baby. R.S. Miller knows. Yeah, that's for real. Crypto Pollo, Crypto Billy, Loose Wire Lurker, Martina, what's going on? Drew, what's going on? Landon Maximus, what's going on? Kai. All these amazing people, man. Amazing people. Thank you for being here, hanging out with me. So we got some data, whatever you want to call it. It was obviously what they wanted. I don't want to call it good. I don't want to call it bad. I think it's just a bunch of numbers. We did say possibly long from here. Okay, so we're up now. We can see the crypto market liked it. Up 2%, settling at a key level of resistance. Okay, now the dust is settling. Okay, so now we can make some better decisions and hopefully take a better trade. Okay, so what did we talk about yesterday, everybody? So when we talked yesterday, we said it's fine and dandy to watch these news events happen at 8:30, but the action won't start until 9:30. Correct? Okay. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait and see how this materializes. Okay? Because right now, I guarantee you, everybody pressing buy. Everybody's pressing buy. I want to press buy. So they're pressing buy for sure, right? Key level of resistance. Are we going to press short? Nah. We want confirmation, right? We want to see this break down, maybe take a higher low, and maybe take this back down into here, into revisiting the previous highs. That would be the ideal trade if we get the opportunity. If not, we expect this thing to flag, one sweep, and then go, okay? Halfway down the candle and go. Those who took the long, make sure you pay yourselves. If we're looking for targets above us, what are we really looking at here? So there's not a heck of a lot. So there is a bit of a ceiling here is one thing we need to understand. So if we go here, horizontal line right across, there's a bit of a ceiling here. As we can see, if we're looking at premium and discount areas, this is going to be the area, right? 100,000. Very simple, right? Keeping it simple, stupid, right? We want to be like, okay, this is going to be a sticky area if we do continue to push here, which it does look like it wants to. This has been up only, baby. 10% up Bitcoin. Let's go. Okay, you even had your balloon dog pattern in here. If we're gonna say it, okay. However, beautiful, beautiful push for Bitcoin. A lot of you guys are gonna get the hopium, right? Oh man, the euphoric feeling. I can feel it through the screen, so you guys can definitely feel it here. So one of the easiest trades that I typically look for is a retest of previous highs and continuation back up. So you break out, you come back, you go. Okay, it's a very simple trade. Works a lot of the time. Okay, so I'll be looking for that today and probably tomorrow and probably the next day. The problem with this up-only price action is that you leave a lot behind. Okay, you leave all of this all the way up, liquidity, all the way through. Okay, so this typically wants to be taken or revisited before continuing. So getting bullish is great. Breakout continuation here. Draw your triangle, whatever you want to call it. Let's be patient. Let's be level-headed. We'll see what we can find, okay? So are we going to jump into a trade right now? It would have made for great content to press long there, wouldn't it? It would have made for great content. And that's the thing is like, as you know, being in this for at least 3 years now, I don't get like overly too excited. Like I get excited for everybody else. I try to stay pretty level-headed in these situations. I don't think, you know, that euphoria feeling is beneficial to trading. That's very like, I hate to say it, but it's like very gambler mindset, and want to stay away from that, right? We're not here. This is the casino, but if we want to be profitable over time, we're going to have to possibly unlearn them, right? Double bottom, bull flag, balloon dog pattern, right? So you said I would be long here. If I was going to take a trade, I said I'd be long here. I was right. What happens when you're wrong here, right? Okay, you want to start a day off with a $300, $400 loss, right? Not really. Not how I like to start my day. I would like to start my day in the positive. This is looking a little bit toppy here. Let's go into the 1 minute and take a look. This is looking like it wants to roll over. Possible short opportunity here coming in. If we start to lose these lows in here, we look for the retest continuation down, okay? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Patience, patience, patience. We have hit a key area. Remember, we had this key area marked out on our charts. If you are new here, thank you for being here. Amazing. Amazing little ripsaw action. We got 500 people in here, 150 likes. Thank you guys for smashing up those like buttons, subscribing if you are new. You guys are incredible. Thank you for making this all possible, hanging out with me. I do appreciate your participation in the chat. I always like to say, you know, good morning to you guys. Otter gang in here, over 500 in the live again. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, man. A beautiful little push here, flagging out. Patience will prevail. Okay, patience will prevail. I don't want to split hairs here. I don't want to just be like, oh, we'll take this, flag it out. I would like to see, if we're going to get long, I would like to see something along these lines and then go, coming back to mitigate this high. Okay. We'll see if we get there. Okay. We'll see if we get, this is still like hovering up here. We got a 1% move down. I don't know if we get that 1% move down. No reaction. Oh, there we bloody. We were just looking at this like it wasn't doing anything. Look at the NASDAQ, baby. Let's go. So the NASDAQ lagged Bitcoin today. That's interesting. A little bit of a lagger here. Wild. Wild, wild, wild. So NASDAQ lagging Bitcoin a little bit here. S&P is going to like this too. So obviously we're expecting a gap up into here and possibly continuation into this area here. That's what I would expect for the S&P. We'll see what we get, right? We'll see what we get. The dollar, baby. This is the best news that we have seen. Okay, the dollar is rolling over. I have an alarm set down here at 107, 108. Okay, I would love to see these lows lost. If we see these lows lost, this is hella bullish, okay? So that's the idea here is if we lose these lows, we can look for that. We also have a nice big trend line coming in up here. So the dollar rolling over as well. All right. Continuing to push here. Let me know if you guys are in the long this morning. Congratulations to you on your gains. I love seeing you guys win, man. It's incredible. If you are new here, we're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. where we trade this live. Last week we're 5 for 6. This week we're 2 for 2. We're here trading on the short-term time frames, just trying to take advantage of price action, helping everybody, letting you know when we enter, when we exit, what we're looking for. Right now we're not looking for a hell of a lot. We don't want to be eaten up by this price action. We'll see if it does want to continue to rip. Shout out to those who did take the long. Awesome. Good job, everybody. Let's go, Dave Digital. Dave Digital's on mobile, so you're all safe. He can't just he can't just troll you. Long here. Let's go, William. Let's go. Dave Digital, Wesley, AIXBT retesting previous high. Let's go. That's awesome, man. Have to charge in a minute. Lee, what's going on? Candle outside of BB on the 5 minute back down, I reckon. Yeah. This is just, when the euphoria hits the crypto market, when they get a little bit, when the door cracks open, crypto just kicks it right down. So mitigating this sell wall here. Good call on the stop though. So it's always nice to see that your key levels do act as a key level of resistance. Okay, this thing's continuing to rip, man. Continuing to rip. Let's go to the 1 minute. I'm not getting a lot out of this. Let's see breakout continuation here now. Okay. Very overextended. However, Bitcoin don't care. We're hitting 98,800. I did deploy a lot of capital on that dip, so I did put in a lot, spot buys down here. So pretty happy with that buy. I'm not saying the bottom is in, but the bottom looks pretty good. Bottom looks pretty good, especially after this kind of move, okay? And then Orange Man getting in next Monday. So very, very nice move today for Bitcoin. Very relieving. I would say it's a relief to a lot of us in the industry who 84,000, 85,000. People were calling for 70,000, right? So this thing's on an absolute tear. Okay, absolute tear. Data coming in. Core inflation down to 0.2%. So inflation, that was the sticking point, right? Inflation was coming up even though that they had started to cut rates. Therefore, they were going to slow the rate cuts. Now, inflation's coming down, baby. Right? The forget about it numbers are so core inflation down year over year, 3.2%, and core inflation month over month down as well. Okay, so that's what came out this morning. So these are obviously good numbers. Where the annual core consumer price of inflation rate in the United States, which includes items such as food and energy, eased to 3.2% after having remained at 3.3% in the previous month. So 3.3, 3.3, 3.3, proving to be sticky. Now it's coming down, so that's good. Slightly under market expectations. Prices for services excluding energy slowed to 4.4% from 4.6% in the previous month, driven by softer increase in shelter. Okay, although costs accelerated for transportation services, 7.3 versus 7.1 from the previous month, core consumer prices rose by 0.2%. Okay, slowing from the 0.3% increase in November. So Bitcoin continuing to rip here. Okay, we suggested the long, we didn't take it. Okay, and that's fine. In reflection, happy go lucky. This is awesome. It's a win for everybody today. I think this is a very big relief for everybody. So all we can do is wait. Trading is waiting. Let's be patient here. Let's see what transpires for the rest of the day. I will be heading out in 20 minutes. Okay, so I got an appointment Actually, I got to head out earlier. I have an appointment today. So I'm going to be heading out early today. Amazing, amazing, amazing day for crypto. This thing is going to Valhalla. We do have a live stream on the Discord today. So if you are part of our Discord, come over and hang out in the free section. But we do have a promotion going on right now. $1 a day for the monthly membership, where we have 4 traders helping you guys all be profitable. Amazing group of people. Myself, Brewberry, Kyle, and Thesis. You guys are crushing it. So you guys are welcome to come and hang out over here. We'd love to have you. If you are new here, subscribe. We'd love to have you here as well. We trade every morning, Monday to Friday. And it's always a fun one. It's always a fun one. So Bitcoin continuing to rip. I will not be chasing price this morning. I don't want to waste your time. So I'm going to probably head out here. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day for crypto. I wasn't supposed to live stream today, but I wanted to get on here to hang out, to watch the data come out. Okay. I do have an appointment once a month on Wednesdays. So we came on here. We crushed it. I wanted to make sure that, we showed up for you on a busy, important day. Toppy. That's what I would say right now. Toppy. So I would look for a revisit around 97,600. If you are new here, subscribe. We'll be trading tomorrow morning. Okay, but I do have an appointment that I have to run to today. So thank you, everybody, for being here. It was fun. An amazing pump. If you took the long, pay yourselves, all that good stuff. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody. God bless you. I will see you guys in the Discord or on the live tomorrow. I will see you guys there. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Go over and check out Piper Academy. He'll have a lot more information on the data that came out today. And have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.